Welcome back to another episode of the Pokemon Nuzlocke. I'm mind-logged, and today we're hitting a victory road. Actually, I'm gonna need some herb. A Loudred. You know, I didn't catch anything in the last episode, so let's just see. It's not good enough. Why did it do that? The fuck like crazy. Something. Yeah, we'll switch out with Burb. With the fucking, the one. Live. Fuck. This is awful already. Ooh, okay. Speed. No! Okay, let's go for it. No! Oh. Hey, yo. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. That should be enough. And just to make sure that my Pokemon doesn't get freaking riggedy one shot. That was gonna be a one shot, wasn't it? Ultra Ball, goo! Alright. What do you fucking mean, bruh? Get in the frickin' ball. Do it. Perfect. Loudred shouts while stamping its feet. After it finishes shouting, this Pokemon becomes incapable of hearing anything for a while. This is considered to be a weak point. Yeah, it... I got something. Reet. Oh well, fuck it. Reet has been added to the party. Another motherfucker. Why are they so relevant today? Yeah, yeet. Belly Drum was absolutely not worth it. I fucking hate that move. I thought it was gonna be like a half cut of HP. I didn't think it was gonna be 3/4 of this man's HP. 120 damage to this man. He did it to himself, but I mean that makes sense because his palms are ginormous. But frick, dude, I don't want Belly Drum anymore. Wait. Yeah. don't want belly drum anymore. That's annoying. Anyway, if you're still watching up to this point, make sure to like the video and stuff like that, and tell me your opinions about what I should do next. Next, I'm doing Transistor, so that's gonna be fun. It's a really cool game, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't watched the preview of it yet, it's really good. But yeah, anyway, let's fly. It was Lava Ridge Town, right? It sold that good stuff. Yes. Herbs, herbs, and more herbs. I have tons of muns. I can't even. I have so much money. I'll have that too. Ooh, excuse me. God. That hurt me. Oof. You know those sneezes that just happen to just ache? Your throat's just raw from it. Ugh. Yeah. I hate those kind of sneezes. They're just good. So yeah. Back to Evergrande City. The City of Victory, I say. And you must be thinking, mind logged, why would you call it the City of Victory? Well, fuck, because it has Victory Road, you fucking goober. What do you fucking think? Oh, there's a boy here. My Pokemon is a lot more superior, by the way. Look, watch this man belly drum himself and not even feel a fucking thing. I hope it belly drums itself. Oh, the crit? Whoa, why are you so chonky? Damn. But it failed? Alright. Oh wait, so you can't... Okay. Sure. Actually, I'm just gonna replace belly drum altogether. That was an awful idea. Let's see. Ooh, if I can use Earthquake on Hariyama, that'll be huge. Let's go. You already know what I'm about to do. Yeah, you didn't say how much HP. I do not fuck with that. And now he's gonna be shaking and quaking. Let's go. Oh. Zubat. You know how to get under my skin, you little bastard. Oh, come on. You know what? Fuck it. I don't care enough. Hey, don't be another Zubat, come on. Oh, it's a Whismur. What is a Whismur level 36 doing here? Anyway. Jamama. Yeet. Yeah. I was definitely gonna destroy that Loudred if I hit it more than 2 times. Wow. Cool. Let's just set the new move. Wow. I can't even. No, not dealing with it. Alright. Hey! You got that Pokeball. Oh, I would have loved a Golbat though. Look. I hate Zubats, but oh wait, I can't escape from that. Fuck. ¿Por qué? Wait. Yeah. Holy crap. I want to test out Chloe. Chloe's cool. Yeah, you think you're gonna do that. Heat wave. Perish in the heat. Be broiled like a chicken. Hey, stop that. Alright. Nice. At least I got that Pokeball though. The Max Elixir. You know, there we go. Yo. Why did you just show up, bruh? You know, whatever. You're joking. Okay. I don't care though. I swear. It's like trying to goat me to say the line every time. And I swear it's the same Larion. Is it the... Oh. Sure. I'll bite. Yowza, you are hard to kill. What? But... What? When does Hariyama learn Whirlwind? Okay. Sure. Ow. It's only a matter of time. Uh-oh. That's not good. Come on, Foxy. Ay, Tsumare. Hey! That's pretty good. They're gone. You flinched? What the hell? Oh, that's not very kosher. You're joking. So when I try to fight, this is what happens when I try to fight things. Everything's just the same level and it's scary. Stop that, bro. Oh my god, that critical hit hurts. I'll be back in just 1 second. We ran into a battle. This seemingly infinite and harsh road lives up to its name of victory. How, actually? This seems like it's gonna be soul-crushing. What the heck is... Alright. Freaking grass whistle. Fuck. Grass whistle. What the hell? I've never heard of a move called grass whistle. You missed too? What the heck? Well, perish. There we go. Sick. That's the end of that. Okay. Anyway, I will be back until I find something relevant. So, hey, yeah, I realized that I need all my Pokemon that I've trained up. So, I'm gonna need all those motherfuckers, actually. So I'm gonna have to train for a good while. Again. Damn it. So we can pass through this cave. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh my goodness. This is insufferable. These Pokemon are so fucking chonky. Thank God. Anyway, yeah, I can't do this right now, but I will be back as soon as I have everybody trained up. But I'll continue posting one shot until I get everything leveled up, so we'll see you on the next one. I'm Mindlogged, and I'm logging off.